And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards the east there just about an hour ago, and it was fairly cloudy then. It's been fairly cloudy all day, to tell the truth, and we've had some ice crystals during the day as well. -6 is where we're at right now. We had a low of -10. We achieved that at 8 a.m. and -6 is our daytime high, and we've been pretty much sitting there since noon. Winds are out of the north at 7. Now you might say, okay, a northerly flow, that's not really going to help us much, but actually the winds were out of the east, kind of backing all that cloud cover and precipitation up into the mountains and the foothills. Rotation is now to the north as the passage of the freezing rain has exited the province, and it'll eventually be coming out of the west-southwest tomorrow. Therein lies the trend for some clearing skies, maybe the odd ray of sunshine, but for the most part for the weekend we're still going to see another dig in of cloud cover. So this is the low pressure center off the BC coast. Rotation around that is trying to move in milder temperatures. Area of high pressure will be developing tomorrow. We'll see that rotation of the winds coming out of the west-southwest. That'll pump some of that warm air into southern Alberta. So earlier in the week, we were talking about the possibility of seeing double-digit highs, positive highs for the weekend. Not going to get that warm, but we're certainly going to be above average as we head into the weekend and into next week. So you just saw that pocket of freezing rain heading towards the east. So the warnings have been taken down for the Brooks, Coronation, Medicine Hat area. They're still in play when you get into Saskatchewan, though. Forecasters showing all that precipitation making its way. And here we just had that pocket of ice crystals. We had some light snow flurries and some light snowfall making its way to the ground in several areas across the Lethbridge region right around midnight, between midnight and 2 a.m. But after that, it went back to that ice crystal kind of foggy haze, and that's what we had for the bulk of the day. So as we get into tomorrow, we'll see the bulk of the precipitation remain into the higher elevations. We have a rain-snow combination in the lower elevations, solid rain, and then it changes to rain-snow and then snow in the higher elevations. But in the southernmost regions of our province tomorrow, we should be seeing the odd break of sunshine, and the winds will be picking up. And then on Sunday, we lose the wind. We'll see some of that precipitation drift off in the form of some showers when we have a daytime high on Sunday of 7 degrees. But in advance of that, as I said, Saturday showing just that cloud cover starting to push off, and then you can see Sunday that pocket of precipitation trying to make its way back in. We lose the wind, so everything has a chance to just kind of drift into southern Alberta. Down east, -4 in St. John's right now. Actually, the Maritime's got a fair amount of sunshine today and expecting that for a couple of days now. It's the central area of the country through Toronto, Ottawa, and into Thunder Bay, in through central Canada, that they're already in the middle of a system moving across the Great Lakes. So Toronto, Ottawa saw snow today, expecting a couple more days of that. -4 in Winnipeg right now, foggy there. They've had some freezing rain in Regina and Saskatoon, -5 and -11 degrees. Still some light snow in Edmonton at -14, 6 degrees in Kelowna, 11 degrees, and 5 soggy days ahead of the folks in Vancouver. Sun and cloud mix in Whitehorse today, and also, there was heavier on the cloud cover there, but a sun and cloud mix in Yellowknife as well, -27. That's cold. East Kootenay, you're looking at periods of rain tonight, 3 degrees for a low, fog very possible, and then tomorrow some morning leftover showers, but afternoon you should be seeing a sun and cloud mix. Crow's Nest Pass, mainly cloudy tonight, down to -12, 7 for a high tomorrow. Mainly cloudy skies, and your winds will be kicking in the afternoon, so you should see a few rays of sunshine in the mix. Medicine Hat, mainly cloudy tonight, down to -9, mainly cloudy tomorrow, 2 degrees for a high. Your winds will be out of the southwest in the afternoon and even warmer in the ensuing days. Lethbridge, we're looking at an overnight low of -11, partly cloudy tonight, still with that foggy ice crystal situation. Then tomorrow, mainly cloudy with sunny breaks. Southwest winds at 40, gusting to 60 by the afternoon. There's your 5-day forecast. We lose the winds on Sunday, and that's why we have a chance of that precipitation drifting off and making its way into southern Alberta in the form of rain showers. And then as we get into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you see some really nice temperatures there. So we've got a nice little stretch of above average temperatures. Average is 1 for this time of year. Congratulations to Ashton. Ashton has been volunteering with numerous organizations in southeastern BC, southern Manitoba, southern Saskatchewan, and now southern Alberta. So he has rotated through a lot of the prairies, and we're happy to have him here helping out all the local organizations. So thanks, Ashton. We have a basket for you. Have a safe and happy weekend, everyone. Talk to you Monday.